Howdy. I just stumbled across this article which I found interesting, so I'm gonna share it with you. Fossil study challenges long-held theory on Fibonacci spirals found in nature. Live reconstruction of fossil Asteroxylon machiae. I don't know what's a live reconstruction. But a 3D model of a 407 million year old plant fossil has overturned thinking in the evolution of leaves. The research has also led to fresh insights about spectacular patterns found in plants. The research, published in the journal Science, overturns a long-held theory around the famous pattern in nature. Paleontology, PhD student and University College Cork, UCC, Holly Ann Turner is the first author on the study and conducted the research while an undergraduate student and research assistant at the University of Edinburgh. Yeah, I'm obviously not in best reading mood or talking mood. Or maybe there's just so many things on my mind which makes it rather hard to concentrate on this very specific thing. But anyway, maybe I'll get into that. Or you can just put the volume down and read it by yourself. The findings indicate that the arrangement of leaves into distinctive spirals that are common in nature today were not common in the most ancient land plants that first populated the Earth's surface. Instead, the ancient plants were found to have another type of spiral. This negates a long-held theory about the evolution of plant leaf spirals, indicating that they evolved down to separate evolutionary paths. Whether it is the vast swirl of a hurricane, or the intricate spirals of the DNA double helix, or a Birkeland current in space, spirals are common in nature, and most can be described by the famous mathematical series, the Fibonacci sequence. Named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci, this sequence forms the basics of many of nature's most efficient and stunning patterns. Spirals are common in plants, with Fibonacci spirals making up over 90% of the spirals. Sunflower heads, pine cones, pineapples, and succulent houseplants all include these distinctive spirals in their flower petals, leaves, or seeds. Why Fibonacci spirals, also known as nature's secret code, are so common in plants has perplexed scientists for centuries, but their evolutionary origin has been largely overlooked. Based on their widespread distribution, it has long been assumed that Fibonacci spirals were an ancient feature that evolved in the earliest land plants and became highly conserved in plants. However, an international team led by the University of Edinburgh, including University College Cork, Holly Ann Turner, and researchers at University Münster, Germany, and Northern Rock Studios, UK, has overthrown this theory with the discovery of non-Fibonacci spirals in a 407 million year old plant fossil. The club moss Asteroxylon machiae is one of the earliest examples of a plant with leaves in the fossil record. Using these reconstructions, we have been able to track individual spirals of leaves around the stems of these 407 million year old fossil plants. Our analysis of leaf arrangement in Asteroxylon shows that very early club mosses developed non-Fibonacci spiral patterns, stated Holly Ann Turner. Using digital reconstruction techniques, the researchers produced the first 3D model of leafy shoots in the fossil club moss Asteroxylon machiae, a member of the earliest group of leafy plants. The exceptionally preserved fossil was found in the famous fossil site, the Rainier Shirt, the Scottish sedimentary deposit near the Aberdeenshire village of Rieni. Probably butchering this very badly, but what to do? The site contains evidence of some of the planet's earliest ecosystems when land plants first evolved and gradually started to cover the Earth's rocky surface, making it habitable. Yeah, I don't want to put like too much of my own thoughts because there's another thing waiting I want to show you, and I don't want to make the videos too long. But gradually started to cover the Earth's rocky surface. Yeah. One could ask that how many times this happens. But anyway, the findings reveal that leaves and reproductive structures in Asteroxylon machiae were most commonly arranged in non-Fibonacci spirals that are in plants today. This transforms scientists' understanding of Fibonacci spirals in land plants. It indicates that non-Fibonacci spirals were common in ancient club mosses and that the evolution of leaf spirals diverged into two separate paths. The leaves of ancient club mosses had entirely distinct evolutionary history to the other major group of plants today, such as ferns, conifers, and flowering plants. The team created the 3D model of Asteroxylon machiae, which has been extinct for over 400 million years. By working with digital artist Matt Humpage using digital rendering and 3D printing. No, this was the article. Let me just throw in one thought to this still. Maybe their detection about the age of the plant might be wrong in the first place. But this is just a possibility. But now to the other thing I wanted to show you. I think that's my recent video I made, probably. And I mentioned that could earthquakes be also precursor of very, very bad weather coming? Don't know, but I think it's very possible. So that's 48 hours of quakes on the map. The earthquake activity in France is centered around this region here, which is rather big. I think you could fit in Switzerland, or you could fit Switzerland in this region. So it's rather big. Let's go over to Windy. And the earthquake region, as you just have seen, is somewhere here. And this is radar 12 hours. And it seems that there could be something coming into France as well. I don't know. This is still in developing. But there could be already today or in the night be rather bad weather in the already earthquake affected area. But we will see probably tomorrow. We know something more if there is like any news about flooding in this, what is it, Aquitania. Let me show you what I mean. For this we go over here and let's just zoom in and pick one quake. It's still going on there. 1 hour ago, obviously. Near Niort. Yeah, here they don't say what I meant. Let's pick another one. Yeah, it doesn't work. I cannot click on that. Near Niort. Near Niort. Did they change all the names of those quakes? Or at the location? Courson. What's up with that? Let's take one of the quakes which have been more north. Nouvelle-Aquitaine, unconfirmed yesterday. And I have to admit, I don't know exactly how big this Nouvelle-Aquitaine is, but Aquitaine, it sounds to me that there is water involved in the name of this region. So now let's just zoom in here on this terrain. Put that away. Let's see how much water there is. Yeah, I would say there's water all over the place. Yeah. Farming. Maybe. Also something with peat. Maybe they are making fertilizer there. I don't know. But the thing is, basically, I just wanted to show you that it seems that there's rather bad weather coming into the region. So for those who live there, and I don't think that there's anybody living there watching my videos, but be prepared. Get your rubber boots and stuff. Maybe you have to reach for higher ground or something like that. Yeah, I think I leave it here. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.